Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More, and guess what we're going to be making today? A hamburger bun, a keto hamburger bun. And if you guys want to learn how to make all kind of dishes homemade the easy and simple way, subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos and hit that bell so you'll get notified. We're going to get started and we're starting right now. Okay guys, we're going to jump right in and get started. First of all, we have melted butter. Then we have our almond flour. Next we have a little salt. And we have onion powder. And last but not least, we have our eggs. Then you want to just go ahead and whisk this all together. And guys, you can add other seasonings depending on what flavor bread you'd like to have. And you just want to make sure it's whisked really well and everything's combined. And I have some coconut spray here. We're going to be putting this actually in a Tupperware dish that's rounded. The more round Tupperware dish, the more round your bun will be. Just want to give it a light coating. This normally doesn't stick, but I like to coat it with something anyway. If you don't have a spray, just put a little butter in there and spread that around. And this is going to make 2 buns, but I like to divide my batter in half and make 1 bun at a time in separate containers. So you just want to make sure you get all of this into your container. And you can easily divide the ingredients first. You want to give it a shake, make sure it's evenly distributed, and bounce it a little bit to make sure the air bubbles are out. We have put this in the microwave for 90 seconds, and this is what our bun looks like. Now we're going to toast it with some seeds. Okay, you want to put a little butter in your skillet, and we're going to toast this with sunflower seeds actually, and you can use sesame seeds or anything else, but you want to put your seeds into the butter first and just let them toast just a little bit first. Then after that, you want to put your bread, just take it out of the container, it comes out real easy, and lay it down right on top of those seeds. Press down, get it nice, good, and toasted. 1 bun at a time. We're going to toast both sides. So you just want to flip it over. We're going to just add just a little bit more butter to the skillet so that we can toast the other side. So we'll have nice toasted sides on both the top and the bottom. Then after that, we're just going to knock out our second bun, which will be our bottom bun. Doesn't that look good, guys? Nice and toasted. Now this is our second bun. As you can see, it's nice and toasted already on one side. And that's about it, guys. After that, we will make our burger. We have a top and a bottom bun. And if you don't want them as thick as this, you can always just use a little less batter. Nice. Okay, guys, so here you have our keto hamburger bun. Give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments if you got anything out of this video. And subscribe, hit the like button so that you'll always get notified. I've got a link to my Patreon page down in the description. If you got anything out of this, please consider supporting me over there on Patreon as well. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me cooking today. See you next time.